In a certain town, 76% of cars are fitted with satellite navigation equipment. Here, 76% is nothing but the probability. So 76% is nothing but 0.76. Okay. A random sample of 11 cars from this town is chosen. So n will become 11. Okay. Now find the probability that fewer than 10 of these cars are fitted with this equipment. So you need to find probability of what condition, that will be decided by this one, fewer than 10. Mathematically, how do we represent that? Means r less than 10. Clear? Now, to find this probability, we should get the idea of using binomial distribution. Okay, now formula for binomial distribution is NCR p power r 1 minus p power n minus r. Okay, now we should know the value of n, r and p. So n is 11, p is 0.76. So let us decide the values for r. R is less than 10. So values that r will take is starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, so on up to 9. Clear? Now, here I get many values for r. So my focus is to decrease the values for r. So to decrease the values for r, I should do this one. That is 1 minus p of. Write the opposite of this condition over here. Here r less than 10, make it r greater than 10. Here you don't have equal to symbol, here you put equal to symbol. Is it clear? Opposite of this, here you don't have equal to, so here you put equal to. Now see what values will r take. So greater than or equal to 10 means 10 and 11. N is 11, so you stop at 11. So we have decreased the values for r. So now this is nothing but p of 10 plus p of 11. Okay, now 1 minus. When r is 10, replace it in this formula. So what do we get? 11c10 into p is 0.76 power 10 into 1 minus 0.76 power 11 minus 10. Okay, now when r is 11, replace it in this formula. We get 11c11 into 0.76 power 11 into 1 minus 0.76 power 11 minus 11. Clear? Now 1 minus. Now I cannot put both at once in the calculator. So what you should do is add them piece by piece. First you put this in the calculator. Whatever answer you got, add that to this one. Clear? If you can put both at once in the calculator, fine. If not, add piece by piece. Now once you have added these two, whatever answer you got, do 1 minus that answer. So your final answer should be 0.781 should be your final answer. Okay.